beautiful people, and welcome back to Lip Balm Kiss TV. So today's video is brought to you by Viya Hair. Y'all see I am giving y'all Jessica Rabbit. I was hearing that all weekend. Look at me feeling myself. I was hearing this all weekend, like, you're giving Jessica Rabbit. And when I tell y'all this density, the lace, the curls, the layers, the plucking, everything about this wig went with exactly what I was trying to achieve this week. In the versatility, look at that, I can pin her up. I mean, y'all, this wig was everything you are looking for and more. So let's get into the unboxing. So it comes in this cute pink and gold thing that has their name and logo on the front. You open it up and I'll show you all the goodies we got, and then we'll get into the installation. So of course we've got an edge band, super important. I hate when they don't send it and it leaves me digging for other ones, but they sent one. This bag is what you'll use to store your wig. It comes with the specs on it. So it's their loose body wave, 26 inches, 180% density. They came with this little princess thing right here to cover your eyes when you're sleeping, which I don't use them, but a lot of people do. Lashes, of course. And then we also have our edge brush, which you can use this for your edges, for parting, to keep flyaways intact. Just kind of like tie everything together. Super cute. Pink. Everything was pink, which I'm not a pink girl, but the pink be eaten sometimes. Do you feel me? And then it also came with like an info card with all their different styles, the wig care instructions, a little bit about the brand and what all they offer. So now, oops, I almost forgot, y'all, the bonnet. Can't forget the bonnet. Thank you guys so much for sending over these gifts. Now it's time to get into the actual installation. When I tell y'all, look, I was cutting up all weekend and it was working. The red lip with the bombshell curls, I tell y'all. Talking about looks, honey. Thanks to Viya Hair, we were giving looks, honey. So if you like to see how we achieve this look, then just keep watching. So after I slicked down my baby hairs, this is the final look once again. Thank you so much Viya Hair for sponsoring today's video. I really enjoyed this collaboration. This wig made me so much money. I still have it in my head right now as I'm filming this because I don't want to take it off. But thank you guys so much. If you're looking for this wig, make sure you check out the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video.
One step